The car, just like a home, is a living space, and that means you'll want to keep it tidy. Due to the myriad things we do with our cars, we collect a fair amount of litter that often finds its way stuffed in a cup holder, glove compartment, or center console. There are many products available to choose the best car trash cans, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. EPAuto Waterproof Car Trash Can. Starting our list with the first car trash can option, this one is offered by EPAuto, which is a truly well-known brand in the industry and popular for selling high-grade car accessories. Since this bin has a 2-gallon capacity, it'll be good enough to hold plenty of trash inside. One of the best parts about this bin is that it has a lid which comes with a little opening as well. Inside the bin, it has a waterproof interior, so you might not need to use trash bags necessarily with this bin. In fact, attaching and removing the bin from the car is quite simple, and it's even very portable, which offers a huge advantage to the users. Number 2. KMMOTORS Foldable Hanging Car Trash Can. Coming to the next car trash can option, KMMOTORS is quite a good brand pick if you are looking for a bin in the affordable price range. The build quality of the bin is absolutely promising as it comes with a faux leather finish on the outside. The bottom of the garbage can is designed to be quite sturdy, and it has a wide opening which makes it easier for you to throw in the trash. Apart from that, the capacity of the bin is also quite decent as it offers you around 1.85 gallons of space. One of the most interesting things about this bin is that you can completely fold it and store it conveniently anywhere in the car when it's not required. Number 3. NJNJ Waterproof Trash Can. The NJNJ car trash bin is a hefty solution for heavy-duty messes. Bigger than most of our other picks, the NJNJ is therefore ideal for family cars or anyone who travels with large groups. Its waterproof inner lining keeps moisture in and off of car surfaces but can still easily accommodate a disposable bag. Several mounting solutions can secure it to the backs of seats, on the floor or wherever it can be handily tucked away. It comes in neutral colors like black and gray, but also has a few quirky patterns available. Number 4. OUDEW Cupholder Trash Can. The addition of a trash can to a car interior can be off-putting to some drivers simply because it can be an eyesore, no matter the caliber of car. While some products try to be as simple and unobtrusive as possible, the OUDEW trash can embraces that it's going to be on center stage and adds a bit of pizzazz to things. Beyond the multifaceted hexagonal design, the OUDEW trash bin functions as a plastic bin with a push-down lid for dry trash. It's also smaller than most of our other offerings, so that can become a problem if you plan on using it a lot. Number 5. QUARKACE Car Trash Can. Lastly, you can also consider checking the bin options offered by QUARKACE in case you have no issues regarding the budget and want to have a high-quality bin for your car. Starting with the design, the top of the bin comes with a rubber opening which is super easy to access. Apart from that, thanks to its lid, it effectively blocks off bad odors, and since this bin comes with a removable liner, it's easy to clean as well. Speaking about its size, the bin comes with a 2 gallons capacity which is quite standard. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.